Alright, today we are going to go over some of the cool features on Kenwood's flagship Exelon double-din AM/FM CD, DVD, and NAV unit, the DNX9140. What we're going to start with first is going to be to show you how the iPod works on this one. First thing we're going to do is take our iPod, connect it to the dock connector. It's going to connect and show you that the unit is connected to the Kenwood radio, charges the iPod. Go ahead and put that out of the way, say in a glove box or center console. First thing you'll notice is that it automatically switches over to your iPod that you just plugged in. It will resume back to whatever you were listening to before you had plugged it into the unit. It gives you a nice album art display here, gives you all your text information. When you want to switch songs or switch playlists on this particular unit, you'll hit the List tab over here on the right side of the touchscreen. It'll then pull up a menu that's very similar to the menu on your iPod, where you can search by playlist, artist, album, songs, podcast, etc. On this one, we're going to search by playlist. We're going to pull up the whole list of playlists that we have on the iPod. With the arrow keys here, you can dial through and see the different playlists you have. So let's say you want to... I'm a big cover song fan, so we'll pull up some cover songs. You can dial through the songs that are listed on there. We'll pull up some Voodoo Child. I'm not sure if this is Stevie Ray or Jimmy, but it will start playing. From here, you can hit the Control tab to go back to this main display screen. Again, gives you the artist name, song title, album art. You got your volume up and down. Now let's say you want to go back to the same spot in the list you just were and you want to pick a different song. One thing that's nice on this unit, you can hit this List tab again, and it will take you back to the same spot you were in the iPod list, in the iPod directory, just like the iPod itself. So now you want to switch song, play Little Wing. Or you can opt to go back to the main menu. By hitting these tabs on the left side, you can either hit up, which will take you back one level, as you see, back to your playlist, or back up to your main search menu. Let's say now you want to search by artist. You select the Artist tab. And now, since you've got a lot more artists, you've got a lot more information to navigate through, so you may want to go quicker than what the arrow keys will allow. At that point, you can grab this little slider bar and bring it down with your finger, or just touch it, and it'll take you throughout your playlist. So, say you want to listen to some Black Crowes. You select the artist, it'll then pull up a list of albums that you have from that artist. Select the album, then it'll give you your song list. Select your song, then you can hit your Control to go right back to the main display screen. Another neat feature on this unit is while you're listening to your iPod, you can go through and flip back and forth between the audio screen and the navigation screen with the push of one button. You'll notice on the bottom of this unit there's a bar that says Ready to Navigate. Just touch there, and it will flip you over to the Garmin-based navigation system that is built into this unit as well. We'll get into that in another video, and you notice that it also, in this screen, has the iPod information below it, so you can stay in tune with what's going on your iPod as you change tracks and things like that. While you have the navigation screen up. And if you want to go back and do more controls on the iPod, just touch that bottom bar again. One last thing I'll show you. If you go back to the list on your iPod, let's say you don't know what you want to listen to, you just want to shuffle everything. So you go back to your main playlist, just start it. From here, you can just... Actually, it's already selected as random. You can turn your shuffle on and off. We're going to go ahead and do that. And now you can just skip to the next track and it'll pull up just whatever random song would be on your iPod, which is a very cool feature. That's all we're going to do for today on the iPod. Check back later for more really cool features on this 9140, such as the navigation features and the Bluetooth options. Thanks for watching.